Hello there, welcome back, and this video we are going to learn what is main difference between 32-bit OS and 64-bit OS. So let's get started. I'll go to the properties to check which operating system I do have. Either it is 64-bit or it is 32-bit. So I could say system type is 64-bit. So this machine is 64-bit. So I would able to add up to 2 TB RAM in this machine. All right. So other thing is, when you go to the C drive, you would see two folders: program files 86, that means 32-bit, program files, just a program files, that means 64-bit. Any application which is 32-bit, that will going to be installed in this folder. Any application which is 64-bit, that will be going to install in program files. So let's give you one example. As you see, I do have two applications named 7-zip 86, that means 32-bit, and 7-zip 64-bit, that means 64-bit application. When I will install this application, it will going to install in 32-bit directory, that is this one. When I will install 64-bit, that will going to be installed in this directory because it is 64-bit directory. All right, so let's try that. I'm installing 64-bit. Install. Now I'll open this folder. Now you could see 7-zip is installed inside 64-bit folder. If I install 32-bit application, it will install inside 32-bit, that is called 86 folder, 7-zip. All right. Now I'll minimize this one and I will open 32-bit operating system. Now we have 32-bit OS. Let's confirm that again. It's 32-bit operating system, and now I'm going to try to install 64-bit application. What do you think? We are able to do that? No, because if you have 32-bit operating system and you are trying to install 64-bit application, you won't able to install that because you have 32-bit operating system. As you seen earlier, we installed 64-bit as well as 32-bit application inside 64-bit application, 64-bit operating system. That really work. All right. So you would able to install 32-bit application as well as 64-bit application in 64-bit operating system, but you're not able to install 64-bit application inside 32-bit operating system. But you would able to install 32-bit application inside 32-bit operating system, not to be confused. Okay, so I'm installing 32-bit application and it should work. Also, you will notice in C drive we will have just one folder for program files. That is also, we can understand this operating system is 32-bit. All right, 64-bit application, 64-bit operating system will have two folder. One is program files and another one is program files 86, which I told you earlier. Whenever you installing 32-bit application, that going to be installed in this directory, program files. Okay, and whenever you are going to install 64-bit application, that will install in program files. In other hand, if you have Windows 10 operating system which is 32-bit, there would be just one folder, program files, and you won't be able to install 64-bit application inside 32-bit operating system. You will only able to install 32-bit application, not 64-bit. All right. So I hope you have cleared this all things. Let's meet you in next video. Thank you.